Today, we're diving into the ATEX 64GB DDR4 3200MHz RAM kit, designed to elevate your system's performance to new heights. With a whopping 64GB capacity spread across two 32GB modules, this kit ensures you have ample memory to handle even the most demanding tasks with ease. Installation is a breeze, no tech expertise required, making it accessible for users of all levels. The DDR4 3200MHz speed means lightning-fast loading times and seamless multitasking, perfect for gamers, content creators, and professionals alike. Plus, being JEDEC DDR4 standard compliant, you can trust in its reliability and compatibility with a range of desktop and workstation setups. What's particularly impressive is ATEC's commitment to quality, backing this kit with a lifetime warranty and offering friendly tech support to assist you every step of the way. Whether you're upgrading an existing system or building a new one from scratch, the ATEX 64GB DDR4 3200MHz RAM kit is a solid investment to maximize your system's potential. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.